Okay, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to be looking at the factor theorem. Okay, so this is quite a big topic in algebra. We're going to have a few videos on it. So just bear with us for now. We're going to go through just the basics. We're going to look at some examples in some of the next videos. So first we're going to have to do some sort of kind of like definitions, so some nitty gritty stuff, but you don't have to be super worried about them. So first we're going to look at functions. So functions, anything you write in the kind of the form f of x is equal to, and then anything here, as long as there's x's in it, is going to be a function. Okay, so the example we're going to look at is going to be a nice simple one, a quadratic function fx plus 6. So functions are going to be in a different chapter, but they're not, like, it's nothing we haven't looked at before. It's just kind of looking at it in a new way with functions. Okay, this is called a polynomial function, so I'll write that down, polynomial. And don't be too worried about it. It just means that a polynomial has different degrees in x. So it has x cubes in it, it has x squares, it has x, it could have x to the power of 10, x to the power of 4. Anything with a mixture of those is a polynomial function. Okay, yeah, okay, so basically what the factor theorem says, I'll go into green for this now, so we know this is a function and that it's a polynomial function. Okay, that for any polynomial function, the factor theorem will say that if x, so we'll factorize this first. Say equal to 0 and equal to 0. Okay, so this is a polynomial function, yeah, and these are the two factors. So we're going to write, I'm just going to use x plus 3 as the example, is a factor. That means that x is equal to minus 3 is a root. Okay, and that's basically all the the factor theorem says, that for any polynomial, if x plus 3 is a factor, x is equal to minus 3 is a root. Okay, so we'll look at where that becomes useful and things like that in different examples, but that's basically all the factor theorem says.